For this recipe, you're going to need some chicken, soy sauce, garlic cloves, brown sugar, bay leaf, whole peppercorns, and some ground black pepper. To get started, in a pan, I'm just adding a little bit of oil. And to the pan, I'm gonna add the chicken. You want this to be in a single layer so that it can evenly brown. This should cook for about 3 minutes. Whenever possible, we like to support local farmers, and the chicken I'm using today is actually free-range local organic chicken. So whenever I get the chance to get fresh ingredients like this, I do so when it comes to cooking. Once the chicken has lightly browned, I'm adding the remaining ingredients, starting with the soy sauce, peppercorns, garlic, bay leaf, brown sugar, and at this point I'm also going to add some water. You're going to cover this, and this will need to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. Depends on the chicken. You want to try to check the chicken adobo every 10 minutes. Stir when you can. You will also notice that the liquid will start to reduce and thicken a little bit. At this point, the chicken is tender and the liquid has reduced in half. You're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And this one is optional. I'm adding some cornstarch mixed with a little bit of water to thicken the sauce. Once you add the cornstarch, you're going to simmer for another 5 minutes, and you will notice that the sauce will thicken immediately. With chicken adobo, I always like to serve this with a side of veggies. Here I'm using some sugar snap peas, and I cooked it in a little bit of garlic and a little sesame oil, and just a splash of sauce, soy sauce. And of course, you can't have adobo without rice. And speaking of rice, here we have a view of the Philippines Cordilleras rice terraces. They're so beautiful. Never been there before, but would love to someday. To serve this, I'm just going to spoon a little bit of my white rice. Spoon some of that chicken adobo on top. And look at that beautiful, thick, luscious sauce. Again, you know, this is optional with the cornstarch, but it makes a big difference and it gives you that really nice velvety sauce. And I'm just adding the sugar snap piece on the side, and this is ready to serve. Guys, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time.
That's magnifique.